In this session, let us learn about Java Iterator. An iterator is an object that can be used to loop through collections like array list and hash set. It is called an iterator because iterating is the technical term for looping. To use an iterator, you must import it from the Java iterative packages. Getting an iterator. The iterator method can be used to get an iterator for any collections. See here, by writing and executing this code, see, make a collection, get the iterator, print the first item. See, if you write and execute this code, the output was Tata. See, the result printed this. Looping through a collection. To loop through a collection, use the hash next and next methods for the iterator. See here, make a collection, get the iterator, loop through a collection. Now we are looping through a collection. If we write and execute this code, the output result was see, Tata, Maruti, Ashok Leyland, Mahindra were looped. Removing items from a collection. Iterators are designed to easily change the collections that they loop through. The remove method can remove items from a collection while looping. Use an iterator to remove numbers less than 10 from a collection. By writing and executing this code, see, the 8 and 2 were removed. The output result was 12 and 23. Trying to remove items using a for loop or a for each loop would not work correctly because the collection is changing size at the same time that the code is trying to loop. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 42, Java iterators. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Java wrapper classes. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.